Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the battery in your Dyson SV25 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, power off your Dyson SV25 and disconnect it from the charging dock. Locate the battery compartment at the back of the vacuum. You will see a small cover that needs to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the two screws holding the battery cover in place. Keep these screws in a safe location as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery cover off. Here, you will see the battery unit. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector out. If the battery is stuck, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Remember to be careful not to damage any surrounding components during this process. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Push it firmly into place until you hear a click. This ensures the battery is securely connected. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, it's time to clean the internal area around the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean environment helps maintain the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. Now, replace the battery cover by aligning it with the compartment. Secure it in place using the two screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tight but do not over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once the cover is back on, it's essential to test your vacuum cleaner. Plug it back into the charging dock and allow it to charge fully before first use. This helps to condition the new battery for optimal performance. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure at any point, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved up front. After charging, turn on your Dyson SV25 to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly. You should notice improved suction and performance. In summary, replacing the battery in your Dyson SV25 is a straightforward process that can significantly extend the life of your vacuum. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer a hassle-free option, consider our service for a seamless experience. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution right at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.